Here I have MOTOROLA Moto G22, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Screen Record. By holding your finger on it, nothing will happen, but by tapping on it you can start recording. So you can select recording audio, you can record device audio, you can record microphone, you can record both of them, and you can also show touch on screen. To start recording, just tap start, and after a countdown, recording starts. So let's record some of our screen, maybe some apps, maybe some settings, I don't know. So to stop recording, just go to the upper bar and tap on this notification here, stop. And after that, your recording will be saved to the gallery. To the library, to the to which album? No idea. To the movies album. And here it is. Here is our recording, and from here you can share, edit or delete this recording if you don't like it. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.